What you doing?
That. Finally. Finally. It's been ages. I have plenty to catch up on.
Great.
Let me just prepare my shit. Oh yeah. So what we have here is a super sprint stealth exhaust. We have the center pipe hooks.
Exhaust system.
Oh yeah. Very, very good. Not that loud, which is a fucking plus, a major plus.
We will see about that. I just wanted to lick it. What do we have here?
An engine.
Yeah.
The engine's finally in. We have the budget radiator kit for throttle bodies, so we have more space in this direction when the full intake comes on, courtesy of Pure Motorsport. We have full forge water pipes, which look gnarly as fuck. Painted, properly painted, not the spray painted, but baked and shit. And that's pretty much it. We have to put the fan on. I have the brackets, but need to be cut.
AC delete.
AC delete.
What AC?
Oh yeah. And that's pretty much it. New shiny this.
New
Coolant tank, brake fluid tank, power steering tank. It's good, it's good.
Incredible.
Besides this, there will be a catch can in the future, because this is... And this is fully tightened. You can't even tighten it anymore.
Look at that strong boy. Look at him.
This all the chippy.
Young boy and his plate.
Fit in the demo. There we go.
Got nice shields up there. Now all we need is the pipes. These pipes. Amazing.
Imagine it comes like that. With
Sure thing.
this one on. Is that it? Oh yeah.
Should be like a clamp for this probably.
Yeah, there is somewhere. At least I think there was somewhere. Cocken.
Ooh.
Nice.
So just slide it on, then we'll tighten it once everything's together.
Yeah,
so
but does it need to be like all the way in, or?
you probably said it, so you probably said it later when it's on the car.
Yeah, it's not straight, is it? Oh my god.
You're
My god. It's really stuck now.
yeah. No shit all.
Indeed.
Be a strong boy. Get the hammer.
Well, we'll sort it out.
How's your day going? I'm just chilling under here, looking at this exhaust. This is my point of view, right here. Gotta tighten this thing. Then, gotta put a clamp on here. Got mount right here. There's the mount. There's the mount. Mount. Then we gotta put the back box on. And then this guy's gonna come with the tools and save the day. Wow, awesome. Thank you. Look at that fat little shit. So we out here putting some clamps on the exhaust. Very nice. Tightening up all the bolts. Got a real muffler on. Ooh, muffler.
Looks gnarly as fuck.
Dank. Guess now we'll just tighten everything up and that's it. How's it going?
Not well. Not well.
Just wrenching all those fine bolts on the exhaust manifold down there. Very nice. Fun process. What do we have here? A box of parts.
Sandwich plate.
Adapter plate.
Oil cooler is somewhere in there.
Somewhere. Oh.
We can try this on. Oh, funny.
You're not strong enough, boy? You know each Gansi.
My God! Why I did it?
Incredible. The force is strong with this one. Oh, yeah. Crusty old oil filter.
No, it's new actually, but it has been painted over. Do you see an issue?
Well, it's gonna have to be a little sideways.
Oh yeah, mate.
Put it on like so. Hoses are gonna come through here like a pain in the ass, and yeah. Maybe,
Yeah, probably.
maybe have it like this. This could work.
Okay, yeah, then let's put this away for now. I don't think this is gonna work. But moving on, we have the forge, water pipes. So we first have to deal with this. This is a budget lowered radiator from Pure Motorsport. So it kind of sits lower because of the intake. It's nice, it's very good. But to mount the fan, we have this universal brackets that we need to kind of. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just put it in the middle.
Slice here, make some holes.
That's it.
I guess we can do that.
And then we'll put it in.
What you want, fool?
Ooh.
Almost chopped his face off. Shit's wild.
Okay. Oh.
Bye bye.
No, did you even put it in?
Excuse me? Excuse me? That's what she said.
Did she?
Yeah.
But it's looking very, very nice.
Oh man.
Huh?
You're so good at this.
Yeah, we didn't even measure. It was like, drill. Oh, that looks fine. Perfect.
That's the best way.
Perfect.
That's the only way.
That tells you a lot about this build, though.
Amen drill.
Hey man, drill's fine. It does have a bit of flex, but
It should, so there's
I
not
wouldn't
gonna be
worry
any
about it.
vibrations.
that's it.
Amazing.
Mint.
Amazing.
Vroom vroom. We continue. Where this beauty going?
Yeah, bolts, car, radiator.
You what?
He forgot how he put it in. Happens to the best of us.
Mate.
Yeah, just leave it like that. That's what it meant.
Perfect. No, please. How the fuck?
It's probably this side first.
A true master never forgets. Okay, so that. Okay.
Amazing. Look at the flick of the wrist.
Oh yeah.
Almost stabbed
for
himself,
nudity.
Oh, would you look at that?
Looks mint.
One, one hose down, now they have all that left.
Plenty more to go. Unlucky.
Jeez.
Unlucky.
He's also good at blowing. So he succeeded in putting his hoses on the car and looks good. Radiator is mounted. Yes, that's the water done. Yeah.
Basically, we have the radiator on, we have the fan on. That turned out beautiful, as you can see. A little flex, but not that much. It's
Good.
gonna be fine. We have the pipes on. That is a fucking project to figure out, especially this one. I still think it's kind of sketchy, but we'll figure that out. That aside, it's looking beautiful. I think this is turning out great. We only have to figure out how to fix, for example, these two together, because we really don't want like servo pipes to be just like that. Don't think anyone wants that. But that's it.
Great.
I think it's great. And
Tell the people they should buy our stickers.
buy our stickers.
They're
They're fucking amazing.
they're €4 right now. Buy 2 get 3.
Oh really?
So buy them.
Buy 6 get 10. Oh!
Sure. If somebody buys all of them, I'll send them nudes.
What?
Food pics. Food pics.
Oh yeah. That would be better.
There you go. Another sexy shot.